Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, I'm going to put you behind the seat of the metric cockpit today and show you guys how to predict market moves with actual metrics. You guys know the indicators we're using here: top and bottom, finder, trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, market reversals. Guys, people have been crushing it with these indicators. I had to start the video with this just because I want to just say congratulations to a few people. Jeff, he wrote in, look at what this guy said. I bought the bundle pack and top and bottom finder, and I love them. It helped me get a great entry. My first 3 trades were $500 plus, then plus $5,200, and then plus $4,300. I'm using Forex leverage. Thank you so much for all your hard work. This guy makes 4% in 17 minutes. This guy buys the top and bottom finder, and he's like, I made $3,200 in the last 3 days, bro, trading Binance futures. I hope my testimony will help more of me out there to win trades. And it goes on and on and on. 2 hours after purchase, they make their money back. What are these guys talking about? They are talking about the top and bottom finder and the other indicators here. We're going to talk about Ethereum today. We're going to dive in here. Look at these entries, guys. This correlates to you guys making money in the market. Look, there's going to come a time where you're like, I need an edge. I want an edge. I just want to make more money. Look at this. Strong buy signal comes out here on the very bottom here before you see it move back up. Actually calling the bottom of this entire, overall consolidation period probably going to break to the top here. Then you get a buy signal at the bottom candle here before we see it moves back up. And then you get a bottom signal here before it moves back up. Guys, it's literally the bottom. The absolute bottom of the markets before it moves back up. And if you're correlating this to well money flow and trend exhaustion low as well, these are the highest possible confirmed signals in the market. Stick around to the end of the video. I will give you guys a huge discount, 53% off this and 82% off these. What I want to do now is get us into the metrics this morning, okay? Let's go over to tradeconfident.io, and I want you guys to go to Macro Metrics. This is what I call the cockpit or the candy shop of metrics, the crypto macro metrics. Let's scroll down here. I'm going to specifically be going over Ethereum today, but just know that we've got these paired up with Bitcoin as well. So the emotional index, let's dive into this. The emotional index is comprised of a few different values. It's comprised of what you could call maybe an overbought area, which is going to be called excited and greedy, and an oversold area, which is anxious and fearful. What this does is it correlates the actual price action to human emotions. The market moves off of greed and it moves off of fear. When emotions in the market are very fearful, this is usually when you get retail traders selling their positions. But when fear takes over, this is an incredible place to actually start buying. When retail traders emotionally get very stimulated and they start getting excited and greedy, this is usually a place where the market is going to see a move back down, because this is where the big whales are actually coming out and they are placing their short trades or they're selling their long trades, because the retail traders create great liquidity. How is that possible? It's because retail traders, when the market's going up, they're telling their friends, hey, the market's going up. I just made 10, 20%. They try to get their friends in, guys. It's FOMO. This is FOMO up here. When people are excited and they're greedy, this is where you need to be watching for drops in the market. When the market is fearful and anxious, this is where you guys need to be looking to buy back into the market before it goes back up. Okay, that is what's called the emotional index. Watch that. This down here is what's called Ethereum long versus short trades. Okay, this is showing us if long trades are higher in volume than short trades. Let me let you in on a little secret here about how to read this. Do you guys notice something very interesting that happened right here, that happened right here, as well as over here? What you guys are observing is a crash in long trades. This crash came, and right after that, Ethereum saw a dump in price action. You see long trades moving out of the market here. We see a move up to the upside, which is basically trapping retail traders. And then we see the massive drop back down. We see long trades move out of the market, and then we see the drop back down. Guys, if you want to know one of the precursors I'm looking for a huge drop back down on Ethereum, it is going to be long trades absolutely crashing out within probably about a 24 to a 72-hour period. Watch this metric every morning. If this crashes over here, very bad sign for Ethereum to keep going up. We are probably going to crash straight back down. Okay, intermission. We have more to go here. Real quick, here's how you access this. Membership options. It's only $75 a month. All the metrics I'm showing you guys right now can be found under Macro Metrics. You will also get access to every one of our scalping trade calls, which we are 440% higher than the S&P 500. And I will also give you guys live coaching every single month. This is the best deal possible for $75. And you also get all the stock charts included and the top and bottom finder on the daily charts for the top 20 crypto and the top 20 stocks. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's continue down on the macro metrics. I want to show you guys how to access all this. All right, it gets even better here as we go down. So Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance. You guys know out there that there's this rivalry, and they're like, is Bitcoin gonna, go up first? Is Ethereum gonna, flip Bitcoin eventually? This is where you guys can watch it. Okay, this is showing you guys, is there more interest in Bitcoin right now or Ethereum? If this orange line goes up, guys, it shows you there's more interest in Bitcoin right now than there is Ethereum, and we have been seeing that. Bitcoin has had more money flow into it relative to all the other coins than Ethereum has lately. And this is even after the merge. We saw the dump and we saw the decrease of interest. I do believe this is also a social interest calculator here or indicator. When this line is moving up here in orange or it's moving up in black, this shows us that interest is moving back into that coin. Okay, just watch it. It's very interesting. Now, one of the most sought after indicators literally, or metrics you can call it here, is the Ethereum well and institutional smart money as well as the Bitcoin. This is incredible. So follow me on this. What this does here is this is actually showing you guys the long sentiment and the short sentiment in the market for institutions, wells, and smart money. Smart money buys the dips and they sell the pumps. You guys can see over here, if you watch this on a daily basis, when this metric value gets very low down here, what is it representing to you guys? You need to look right here. It's representing short sentiment, short trades in the market. So when this metric value goes down here, this is showing you guys smart money is looking to dump on the retail traders and they are looking to crash the price here. When this starts moving back down and you see this starting to show accumulation of a long sentiment, this is where long trades are most in favor for smart money. This section right here is right down at the bottoms here. This is where they're accumulating their long trades at the bottom prices. Okay, let me show you guys another example. As the market's going up over here, let's correlate these together. As the market's going up, basically around, I would say, August 15th time. Let's come up here and look at this. August 15th time. This is where retail traders are incredibly greedy and they are excited. Do you remember what I shared with you guys? They're telling their friends, the market's going up. I made 15%. This is where you need to watch for a drop. Why? Because smart money, not emotional people, not retail traders, smart money, as we move down here, is actually coming out and they're looking for short trade sentiment in the market and they're looking to crash this out on you guys. Not only do you guys get both sides, but you can kind of spy on what smart money is doing as well as other retail traders who are emotionally trading. Real quick, intermission here. If you guys have ever said there's somebody trading behind the screen, and every time I take a trade, someone else is taking a trade, it is exactly due to this. It is because you are trading emotionally and you're letting your emotions get involved. Before you take a trade, look at this. If you are getting excited and greedy, you may actually want to go straight back down here and look to see what wells and institutions are doing, because they're most likely doing the exact opposite of you. They're in here acquiring the dip. They're in here buying the dip. They're buying the dip over here versus where other people are getting anxious and fearful and they're selling off, providing the perfect liquidity for the market to go back up. The edge you guys get just with these metrics alone, you combine these with the indicators with the discount I'm about to show you guys, this is the best crypto setup you guys can get. I guarantee you guys. All right, crypto market cap, that's basically just the market cap. I want to show you guys more. Okay, stable, inflow, and outflow for USDT and USDC. I am going to be updating this chart today to show you guys this relative to volume. I just decided this yesterday. I'm like, what this shows you guys is that USDC looks like it has more volume than USDT. That's not true. USDT has actually far more volume than USDC. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to flip these and I'm going to show you this to you guys based off of volume. And then on top of that, we're also going to be coming out with date stamps on every single one of these metrics you're seeing so you know exactly when it's updated for that day, and you guys will see it 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys will see October 4th printed on each of these metrics so you guys can know they were updated and you guys can know you can trust them. So this advantage you guys get over here with these metrics is pretty insane. I wanted to give you guys a good education today on how to read this. And then last but not least, guys, the indicators are insane. This top and bottom finder is what's making people the most money. Our number one testimonial is I bought the top and bottom finder and I made my money back. This guy over here, I'll show you guys how to get a discount because I know you guys want to see this. Let me show this to you guys over here. So this guy over here, he's like, I bought the bundle pack. I made my money back in 2 hours. This guy over here buys the top and bottom finder. He makes his money back literally within 48 hours. This guy over here buys the top and bottom finder. He makes his money back. I've never received so many testimonials of people making their money back on something they purchased. That means this thing actually works. Here's what you guys need to do today. Snag the bundle pack. This will give you guys 82% off all of our bundle pack indicators. There's a total of 9 of them. They include the price for swell money flow. They include the trend exhaustion that we use every single day on this channel, guys, as well as 7 other indicators, 2 Forex indicators, never coded on TradingView. These are going to help give you guys a massive edge. They're 82% off. Snag this. Here's maybe the best deal. You guys are going to get, along with the source codes, a PDF called Surprise Gift right after checkout, and it's a 53% off coupon code just to honor you guys who are paying for this today. It is a 53% coupon code for the top and bottom finder, which literally is calling the bottoms. The bottom here, the bottom here, the bottom here, and the bottom there, guys. This equates to money in your accounts, guys, as well as you guys can watch what whales are doing over here in green compared to price action, and over here compared to what the actual trend is doing if it's getting exhausted. And yes, I'm watching for a drop on Ethereum, by the way. So here's the deal. Bundle pack first, get the coupon code 53% off. Click right here, guys. Take that 53% coupon code, click I want this, come straight down here. You guys enter the coupon code right here where it says discount code. You guys pay, you will get $400 off the top and bottom finder. It is not $749, guys. You will get $400 off just by getting the bundle pack first to get the other amazing indicators. So bundle pack first, then get the top and bottom finder with 53% off, and you guys can copy our charts and you are going to be set up here. We use these indicators to scalp the market. We are 440% more than the S&P 500. You hear the passion in my voice because these testimonials are rolling in. And if you guys have used this and you want us to share a testimonial that you've had, email us in. We have tons of them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really more about showing you guys how to use the metrics and how to use the indicators today. This is going to give you guys a massive edge. Starting tomorrow and the rest of the videos this week, we'll be incorporating these metrics. So I wanted to give you guys a tutorial of how to use them. Snag this with just simply getting a membership for $75 a month, and then make sure you guys get the indicators today and use that $400 off coupon code, and we'll give you guys access to the top and bottom finder. I love you guys. Have a good one. Let's make some more money, and I'll see you guys in the next videos coming out tomorrow and the day after using the indicators and the metrics we just talked about. All right, guys. Get those, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video, and we'll trade together. Bye, guys.